Yeah, it's I got ripped apart on your fucking comments.
What video did you have? Or what was your old setup? And what, or is it the same now?
It's the same,
remember.
but nothing was tuned.
Okay.
So like,
what all's in here in your name, man?
my name is Jackson Hunt, and 2 SA 3Ks. Everything's wired down to a half ohm this time. It was at 2 ohm last time.
Okay.
And
oh yeah,
so
that'll be a huge change.
Nothing was tuned, so it was like 800 watts last time, and now it's roughly 8K.
Wow.
Roughly.
On 215s.
CB5s.
Have you metered it yet?
No. Someone told me it was sounded like a 153, so I'm just gonna take their word for it.
Okay.
I don't think it is. I'm assuming like 140s.
Okay. And then nice.
I finally ran better grounds and everything else.
Yes,
like,
sir.
I was doing kind of shitty at the last one.
It's all good, man. We learn and go. Always work in progress.
Yeah, it's pretty much how it was. And I got roasted on your last video for this song because I had just bought the USB from a dude at the Fayetteville show.
Really? Oh man, I'm sorry.
No, it was my fault. Like, I was the one that played it. They roasted me, and they're like, "Oh, he's got an IKEA that's back there."
Can I see the box?
Yeah.
All right. Woo!
One more stickers on too.
Oh, okay. Nice.
So the box it's tuned to 32.
Okay.
And it's 8.4 cubes or something, I believe. And Johnny at Game Over Car Audio built one.
Okay. Thanks for showing me again, man.
Yeah, kind of a little bit of a redemption.
All right, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Jackson.
Jackson. All right. It'll be all right, man. All right, just this video. to for sure. I like your bass mount.
Yeah, I just got it from where Flippo's at.
Huh?
Where Flippo?
SPL Cartel or something like that. Awesome.
Yeah, it's SPL Cartel now, but it's
Okay.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.